Hey, welcome, Chris from Monitech here, ready to introduce you to a new product. It's a new old product. It's kind of exciting. It's a really odd thing to do, but I think we're the only company that has been able to successfully do this. So what we have is an HP C1099A. We can do this with any terminal that's out there. So this is what's the inner guts of the terminal. You got your Monochrome CRT, and then you have your control board, and then this is kind of like a bits and pieces of different units, and this is our LCD installed. We'll just do a side view here, and you can see what we've done. So what we've done is taken this CRT out of this frame and mounted an LCD, and then wired it up so it powers up, runs exactly how the original monitor was. So no more CRT. We got a nice screen. It has an LED backlight. You're not going to have the burnt-in images anymore. Yeah, let's fire it up. So I'll show you power switch over here. In addition to the fit, we have a rubber gasket in place here, so that's your covers around so you don't get any dust and dirt and stuff in there. And it takes a few seconds to boot up. The power, it actually uses less power because it's LED backlight. But there you go. There's your screen. The case goes back on here, and you plug your keyboard and everything in, and you use it just as normal. You can see it's a nice, really crisp green screen. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. When we fired this up, we're pretty excited about it. So I just wanted to hop on YouTube to let everybody know this is another product from Monitech.